All of these websites were made in under 5 minutes with nothing but a single prompt and no code or design experience necessary. Here is exactly how. Now the problem is if we go directly to an AI website builder, we're presented with this text field, and this is where our design vocabulary falls flat. We end up saying things like, build me a modern portfolio website. That would be like going to ChatGPT and asking it to write a blog post about marketing. Without additional context, we're gonna get very generic results. It would be much better if we could provide a prompt that looks like this, rich with details of topography, layout, colors, spacing, and even animations. The problem is this typically takes years of design experience to articulate. Or you can use my hack to get this done in 20 seconds with AI. Here is my 3-step process. First, head over to Mimic.style. Here, we can pick from the internet's best designs and get a build-ready prompt in 20 seconds for free. I'm gonna start a timer and then look for a website that I like by just pressing spacebar. I like this one here, so I'm gonna select it. Next, I'm gonna provide information about my business. You wanna provide as much as possible here, your service area, your customers' objections, what your services are. This will end up shaping the copy that lands on the website. I'm not providing any design information here. That's gonna be taken care of by the inspiration website. And lastly, I can select options. I usually like selecting the add animations. And now let's craft my prompt. This takes about 20 seconds. AI is going to look at the website that we selected, look at your business project information, and craft that long prompt that we've seen, which will be ready to paste in any AI website builder that we want to use. Okay, it's good to go. I could copy this to take it wherever. I am going to open this directly in Lovable. If you do this and end up upgrading on a Lovable paid tier, they do have a free tier. I may earn a commission because that's an affiliate link. And it's going to build this out. Let's bring up the timer and we'll check back in when this is done. Okay, it is loading in. We've got 30 seconds left. I think I need to jump right to step 3, which is publishing the site, and then we are going to look at what it's actually produced. So we want this to be available on the internet. We could also add a custom domain that we would need to upgrade to a paid tier for, but now it's publishing. And while that's publishing, I'm going to open this up in a new tab and see what it's produced. This already looks like a beautiful hero. And there's our timer. Let's see, it's still publishing. So we're going to be a couple seconds over the 5 minutes promise, but this is already looking really good. And we've got our case studies that have a nice fade in effect as we scroll up. This is a good bento grid. AI often likes to output these very generic boxes. But this is looking good. This is because we provided it that extra context. This background, I like this. Oh, we even have an interactive slider. We go from design sketch to quarterly report to the production component. This is beautiful. A website like this would not be possible to produce if we just said, build me a modern portfolio website. We need to provide it a lot of design details. You can do that with Mimic.style. It's free to use and no sign up is required.